Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will join forces to open up a general investment account with Freetrade. This is an important distinction. Today we're only talking about the general investment account, not the stocks and shares. I said that they offer nor the Freetrade Plus. Okay, so please remember this is just the general investing account. And if you ask about taxes, you don't have to pay capital taxes up to £12,300. And when it comes to dividends, you won't have to pay any taxes on dividends up to £2,000 for this tax year, which is 2021 tax year. If you're watching this video after 5th of April 2021, check the description down below for the new rules for the new tax year. Okay, let's begin. Freetrade is an app-only service that is quite popular with investors because it has very friendly UI UX, so the user experience and user interface are quite nice. I have to say, comparing to Trading 212, I much prefer Freetrade, and I will also share with you some other reasons why this app might be for you. Its closest competitor would be Trading 212 in my opinion, and I have been using Trading 212 for about almost a year now. So if you guys want to see a comparison video between Trading 212 and Freetrade, please let me know and I would be more than happy to do that. So why should you choose Freetrade? First, Freetrade offers commission-free instant trades. There are no account fees, which is great, especially for beginners, as you want to cut the cost as much as you can and make it the most accessible. You can buy and sell instantly during stock market opening hours. However, if you're buying after opening hours, you would be placing a basic order. Basic orders will be bought and sold at 10 a.m. UK and 3 p.m. US prices respectively. I will also demo for you how the instant order looks like and how the basic order looks like. So definitely stay tuned for that. Freetrade has an exchange rate of 0.45%. So for example, if your account is in British pounds and you're buying a US stock, you will be charged that fee. Something that I love about Freetrade is that you can buy fractional shares, which means that you don't have to have exact amount of money to buy one full share. For example, if a Tesla share is around $600, you don't have to have that amount of money to buy one full share. You can buy as little as £2, which makes investing much more accessible to people that don't have a lot of money to invest yet, and is a great feature. Another thing that I love is the wide range of ETFs and investment trusts that they offer. On Freetrade, you can buy both UK and US stocks, and they have more than 4,000 stocks for you to choose from. They also pride themselves with excellent customer service, which they describe as fast and friendly, and we will definitely be putting that to the test. Does this all sound too good to be true? Well, how do we know that we can trust them? First of all, they are FCA authorized and regulated. Secondly, your funds are protected by the FSCS scheme up to £85,000. They also keep the client funds and asset separate, so there's no mixing around there, and they also follow best industry practices to protect your data at all times. Now that you are more familiar with Freetrade, I will walk you step by step through how to open an account and how to buy your first share. So there are no excuses, okay? If you don't have a Freetrade account or you want to start investing today, please click the link down below and follow along with me. I'm sure it will be much easier if you have someone that's doing it with you. Just for full transparency, if you click link down below, you will get a free share worth up to £100, and I also get a free share. So it's a win-win situation. Okay guys, so your email is first, then you need to confirm it. This might take a while. Choose a passcode, confirm it, your legal name, your birth date, your address, your nationality. Okay, here you have to choose the account, whether you want an ISA or general investment account. I'm choosing the general investment account. And we are in. First thing we need to do is complete our US tax exemption. Now that that's done, I will deposit some money so I can buy my first share. Okay, as my top up was successful, the last step is to get a free share. but about that later. Let's move on to placing a basic order first, as I'm recording this on the weekend, and I will show you how a basic order looks like. Here I'm just getting familiar with the different tabs of the app and just getting familiar with the UI and UX. It is quite pleasant, I'm not gonna lie. I like how they split it up by sectors, which I'm exploring here now. This is the tech sector, so I really like that distinction. Okay, let's get down to business. I'm choosing Apple as my first share on Freetrade. You are more than welcome to choose any other company of your choice. As you can see here, you can only start investing from £2, which is great, and I chose £100 to invest in Apple. As you can see, your order will be placed from 3 p.m. tomorrow, and you have the breakdown of the FX conversion, of the latest price, as well as the number of shares that you're getting and the total cost. Okay, and now your order is queued. If you use my link, you will also have this queued free share, and it will take around 7 to 10 days, so please be patient, but you will definitely get one. So use my link down below. Okay, and now we will place an instant order during the market opening hours. I'm buying an Apple share again, just a little bit over 1 share, and the order is sent. And there it is. The order is complete. As you can see, the process was very simple and straightforward, which is great, especially for beginners. And here I'm just looking through the performance of the Apple share. Last 7 days, 1 month, 1 year. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this demo. Please let me know in the comments down below, what is the first share that you bought and why? I would love to hear that. Also, if you want me to do a comparison video with Trading 212 and Freetrade, let me know so I can start doing that as well. Hey, before you go, please subscribe to my channel and join me on a journey to financial independence and lifelong learning. Thanks, guys.